어디?
Cattle play nice.
I want him just to play nice.
They'll be fine.
If I'm not worried about the damn squirrel, I don't want him to scare it away.
Kiwi? Bye-bye.
That's a kitty. Is that Cuddles?
As long as he stayed around.
I think so. This is.
Or supposed to play with
And
cats.
also,
He hasn't
and
played with
also,
the cats
if you
for
drop
a
the
while.
camera and it goes in there and it broke.
For quite a while since he played with the cats.
Cuddles don't like him.
He's like an otter. Jesus.
Caterpillar Rave.